review. Today we're going to be reviewing the brand new iMac, and let's get straight into it.
Look at this box. Something stunning is about to be revealed. This is the blue model. I wanted to get the red, but I didn't like the lighter tone of the red. It's super light. It's way lighter than I thought it would be. It's just stunning.
Looking at a crowded street, listening to my own heartbeat.
This model has 1 TB storage and 16 GB RAM. I transferred some 4K footage and it was super quick. This is the 4K footage and it's super smooth. It doesn't lag at all when I'm editing. So this was a quick review of the iMac. And a lot of people are complaining about the chin, but I think it really looks really cool and I like it.